lot of people have been asking how do I do my kimchi fried rice. Today is your lucky day. I'm going to be doing it one more time. What we have is chopped broccoli, carrots, snow peas and zucchini, onions, garlic, sesame oil, black pepper, freshly ground, liquid aminos, which is a soy sauce derivative, and then kimchi. Lots of kimchi. We are lacking the celery, so we're gonna get some from the farm, and some cold rice. Now heating up the pan, I'm gonna look for my olive oil. Nice and hot. Bea, are you okay? Try to do it quicker so I can keep everything crispy. Celery from the farm. Get all the moisture. We're gonna pre-season. And it's sticky rice, so it's hard to toss it around. You don't even leave the pan. And then we will season again. Too much black pepper. I add the garlic last so I can get this garlic flavor on it. I'm going to add some sesame oil for finish. And then mix it up one last time. So there you have it. Super simple, super fast, super yummy, lots of veg. And then you can cook a big batch so that you can keep it in the fridge and then heat it up later on for every other meal. Let's eat. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this short cooking video, and if you guys want to know more recipes, I only don't cook many recipes, I only cook a few favorite recipes. Squash is going super crazy on the lower half of the towers in this section. So what's not successful for us this round is the tomatoes that we got from the US. They don't seem to be taking so well. I don't know why. We're gonna be removing them already and replacing them because it's been a few months since they've been planted. Also, we tried to do strawberries but no luck. Forgot we have our bitter gourd or ampalaya right there. So this fence is ampalaya. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the really short update with the King Tower Farm. Again, if you guys have questions, comments, please let me know that down below, and I will try to get back to you and bring you an update again next time. So hope you guys enjoyed this short video, and I'll see you again soon. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. What is that?